Welcome to AJ Technologies. Can you answer this question?
Best practices for creating tables in D365 F&O. Naming standards. Use meaningful names. Avoid abbreviations like TBL1 or TMP unless it's truly temporary. Follow Microsoft's naming conventions, prefix only for custom solutions. Primary key definition. Always define a primary key, surrogate key or natural key. Prefer surrogate keys, record, for consistency unless a strong natural key exists. Avoid composite primary keys if not absolutely required. Indexing. Create indexes on frequently queried fields, search, joins, filtering. Use clustered index wisely, usually on record. Avoid too many indexes as they impact insert, update performance. Field properties. Set extended data types, EDTs, instead of plain data types for consistency and reusability. Use mandatory property equals yes where the field must not allow nulls. Always set label and help text for better usability and localization. Avoid storing redundant data, follow normalization. Relations. Define foreign key relations, with delete actions, for data integrity. Use referential integrity, e.g., cascade delete, restricted delete. Always use EDTs in relations to maintain consistency. Delete action. Define proper delete actions, cascade, restricted, etc. Don't leave orphan records. Always think of parent-child relationships. Caching. Use cache lookup property correctly. Example, not in TTS, found, entire table. Do not enable caching for transactional, high-volume tables. Use caching only for reference, master data tables. Table groups. Assign the correct table group, main, parameter, group, reference, transaction, etc. This impacts caching, behavior, and system performance. Configuration key. Use configuration keys if the field, table must be enabled, disabled based on licensing. Avoid unnecessary configuration key usage, it adds complexity. Security and access. Apply proper security keys for sensitive tables. Don't expose transactional tables directly, use views or services where possible. Performance considerations. Avoid unnecessary fields, don't use wide tables. Store only what is required. Keep computed values in computed columns or views instead of storing duplicates. Use in-memory or tempdb tables for temporary data storage. Upgrade and extensibility. Always create custom tables under your model's prefix, e.g., AXM_customer history. Do not modify Microsoft standard tables unless extending via extensions. Avoid hard-coding values in tables, use enums, parameters, or setup tables. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.